Hello students and welcome back. This is the last part and part 4 of manufacturing industry's multiple choice question and short answers. I hope you are enjoying the videos I'm making, and if you are enjoying them, please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. It keeps me motivated. Let's quickly begin the last part, part 4. Which one of the following factors plays the most important role in the location of an industry in a particular region? Options are least production cost, raw material, transport or market. So students, it's a little tricky question, but the most important factor is the raw material. अगर raw material ही नहीं होगा तो industry setup कैसे होएगी? For example, अगर मैं sugar industry setup करता हूँ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में और मेरे को गन्ने उत्तर प्रदेश या बिहार से लाने हैं, so it's of no use. It will be not a successful venture. So the most important factor is raw material. Which one of the following is not true regarding the iron and steel industry in India? Options are: as a leading iron and steel producing country, India does not need to import steel from other countries. Most of the public sector undertaking markets, they steal through Steel Authority of India or SAIL. India is the largest producer of sponge iron. Chota Nagpur Plateau region is the maximum concentration of iron and steel industries. So students, से बड़ा अच्छा MCQ है. आपको almost सब कुछ iron और steel के बारे में revise भी हो गया होगा. The correct options are all three of them. The one that we don't need to import steel from other countries is not correct. We do need to import the steel from other countries as well. And India is the largest producer of sponge iron, and most of the public sector undertaking markets are done through Steel Authority of India Limited, and Chota Nagpur is the region where maximum concentration of iron and steel industries are there. Which one of the following steel plants is located in Chhattisgarh? Bhilai, Raurkela, Durgapur or Bokaro? Students, I think that's an easy one. We know in Chhattisgarh, Bhilai steel plant is located. Which one of the following industries manufactures telephones, computers, etc.? Aluminium, electronic, information technology or steel? Again a very easy one. We know the electronic industry manufactures all this. Which one of the following cities is known as electronic capital of India? Srinagar, Pune, Bengaluru or Noida? Students, it's in the book. Bengaluru is the electronic capital of India. Which two states are more famous for their cotton textile industry? Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra and Gujarat, Assam and West Bengal or Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab? And I think this is again a very easy one, students. Maharashtra and Gujarat are more famous or most famous for their cotton textile industry. Which one of the following is not a center of automobile industry? Automobile industries, Jamshedpur, Coimbatore, Chennai or Bengaluru? Students, very easy one. Coimbatore is not a center of automobile industry. Which one of the following statement is not correct regarding spinning sector in India? India has world-class production in spinning. Our spinning mills are capable of using all the fibers we produced. Spinning mills are mostly located in Maharashtra, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu, and most of the yarn we produce is used by our local weavers. So students, again an easy one. We know we export a lot of yarn to Japan, so answer is most of the yarn we produce is used by our local weavers is not correct. Which of the following led to expansion of the fertilizer industry? MNCs or multinational corporations, the Green Revolution, liberalization and foreign direct investment, or all of the above? So students, the fertilizer industry के जो expansion हुआ था, that happened because of the Green Revolution. If you remember, हरित क्रांति में बहुत ज़्यादा focus हो गया था agriculture पे और production पे, जिसके कारण बहुत fertilizer use हुई थी. Answer is the Green Revolution. Which of the following is the effect of liberalization and foreign direct investment on the iron and steel industry of India? तो इसमें से क्या ऐसा हुआ जो लिबरलाइजेशन और फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट के कारण इंडिया की आयरन और स्टील इंडस्ट्री में हुआ? इरेगुलर सप्लाई ऑफ एनर्जी नहीं हुई. बूस्ट द इंडस्ट्री, यस डेफिनेटली, दैट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ लिबरलाइजेशन. लोअर प्रोडक्टिव लेवल नहीं हुआ. हाई कॉस्ट लिमिट, तो वी हैव द आंसर, इट्स बूस्ट टू द इंडस्ट्री व्हिच हैपेंड. Which one of the following does not influence industrial location? Options are raw material, market and labor, underground railway line, or capital and power. Very easy again. Underground railway line does not influence the industrial location. Which one of the following industries uses limestone as a raw material? Jute, cement, aluminium, or sugar? Students, again a very easy one. We know cement is made from limestone. So limestone as a raw material is for cement industry. Which one of the following countries has the largest installed capacity of spindles in the world? Britain, China, USA, or India? Again, very easy one. We know China is the largest capacity of textile and spindle spinning. So answer is China. Which one of the following air services provides services to oil and natural gas commission in its offshore operations? Air India, Pawan Hans Helicopters Limited, Indian Airlines, or Alliance Airlines? Students, again an easy one. We know Pawan Hans Helicopters Limited provides the air services to the Oil and Natural Gas Commission. And so this is the question from a textbook. Which one of the following agencies markets steel for the public sector plants? Very easy one. Options are SAIL, HALE, Tata Steel, or MNCC. Very easy. It is a Steel Authority of India Limited which markets steel for public sector plants. Which one of the following factors has once again opened the opportunity for jute product? Increasing productivity, enhancing the yield per hectare, increasing concern for the use of biodegradable materials, or improving quality. So we know, students, the environment, pollution and global warming and everything is a concern for every country. So the increasing concern for the use of biodegradable materials has again opened the opportunity for jute products. Which one of the following public sector plants is located in Chhattisgarh? Bhilai Steel Plant, Rourkela, बोकारो और दुर्गापुर स्टील प्लांट. वेरी इजी, आई बिलीव आपको सबको पता होगा कि छत्तीसगढ़ में भिलाई स्टील प्लांट है. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिटीज हैज इमर्ज एज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया? दिस इज आई थिंक वी हैव कवर्ड. अब दोबारा आ गया है, सो सॉरी, बट आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट्स माइट मे हैव कम. एंड आंसर इज बेंगलुरु. बेंगलुरु इज द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पब्लिक सेक्टर steel plants of India is located near port? Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagar, Bhadravati, or Durgapur? I think that's an easy one again, students. It's Visakhapatnam. And students, this brings to the last question of this part 4 and chapter. I hope you have enjoyed this videos. If you have, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. That keeps me motivated. The last question is, which of the following statements regarding manufacturing is not true? मतलब इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा statement है जो manufacturing से relate नहीं करता, and it is not true. Exports of manufactured goods expands trade and commerce and brings much needed foreign exchange. That is true. Development of manufacturing industry is a precondition of unemployment. That is also true. Manufacturing puts the country into a debt trap. That is not true. So the answer is manufacturing puts the country into a debt trap. Thank you, students, for watching this video. I wish you all the success and good luck for your exam and life. Keep watching and keep sharing.